Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neeru Kamboj. I hope you all doing great. So today I'm going to share these two products from OZiva, clean plant-based, and the first product is anti-aging face serum and the second product is face cream. Well, I have added retinol to my skincare routine by adding this face serum by OZiva to my skincare routine. First of all, the first step is wash your face, and I already have washed my face. And the second step is applying serum, that is anti-aging face serum, and it's a combination of phytoretinol rosin and tire flower. It's a clean plant-based product from OZiva which works best for anti-aging. It reduces fine lines, wrinkles, early sign of aging. First of all, the first step is take 3 to 4 drops of serum, then gently pat onto cleanse face and wait till fully absorbed by skin. Well, the texture of this product is very lightweight, which absorbs into your skin quickly. And the third step is OZiva Youth to Elixir anti-aging face cream. You should be really careful with what you use to layer your skin after using a retinol-based product. Retinol is a very active ingredient which cannot be mixed with vitamin C. This moisturizer keeps my skin moisturized and hydrated all the time by preventing water loss, and also works best with the retinol-based Youth Elixir anti-aging face cream. It's one of the best moisturizing cream to layer your skin after applying retinol face serum to avoid irritation. And I have given all the links in description box. You can check it out there and buy these products. Well, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.